To set up the Microsoft OAuth setting on the device, you need to log in Command Center on web browser. Printer IP address is required when login. For details, please refer to the video content of the info card. Print the status page to search printer IP address. Open the web browser. Enter the IP address to login device. If you log in and show the message, "This connection is not private," click Show Details, click Visit this website, then click Visit Website. In the Command Center, click Login. Enter admin on username and enter printer series number on password by default, otherwise enter admin. Attention to the input of case sensitive, then click Login. After you log in, click Network Settings on the left side. Click Protocol. Scroll to Send Protocols and turn on SMTP. On SMTP Security, choose Startles. Click Submit. Click Function Settings on the left side. Choose Email. On Authentication Protocol, choose OAuth2. Click the Authorize button. Click OK to finalize this page. Click the Authorize button again. On this page, we need to copy the code to authenticate user. Click Copy button. Then, click the link below the code. New web page will pop up and paste the code you copied before. Click Next. Sign in your Microsoft account to exchange online client for device. For more details of the Microsoft account setup, please contact your IT department. After that, click Continue to confirm sign-in. You have successfully signed the account to the device. Go back to the Command Center webpage. Click the Refresh button on the upper right corner to update status. Then click OK. The SMTP has been filled automatically and OAuth access granted. To add email address, click Address Book on the left side. Choose Machine Address Book. Click Add. Enter the name you want to show on the device address book. Enter the email address. Then click Submit. Click Close to finish and your email has registered.